On Facebook, we use to set our current city or town. And when you're setting your current city or town, if you want to hide it from anyone seeing that current city or town in your friends list, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to do that. For this, open the Facebook application. After that, above you can see a button like this. Click on your profile photo. When you click on that, you'll reach your profile. And in your profile, you can see one option, Personal Details. Click on Personal Details. And here you can see your current city or town. It is already set. Anyways, click on that. When you click on that, here you can see your current city or town. And under that you can see who can see this. Click on this. And when you click on that, you will reach a page like this. But if you are setting it for the first time, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see current city or town. You need to click on this. When you click on that, here you can see an option to search for your current city or town. For example, I am searching and selecting this city. And after that, here you can see who can see this option. Click on this. And you need to select Friends Accept. When you select that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see everyone in your friends list. In my case, only one friend is there. That is why only one profile is showing. But in your case, every friend's profile will be shown. And if you want to hide anyone from this, you need to select that profile. And after that, click on this Done button. And here you can see the Done button. Click on this Done button. And after that, you need to click on the Save button. When you click on that, those settings will be saved. But if you want to post this in your feed, you can click on Share. But if you don't want to, you can go back. And if you click on the Back button, that will not be shared to your feed. Anyways, now my current city or town will be visible to only my friends except this person. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.